Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another Python video. I hope you guys don't mind that. Today we'll be going over time conversion. So the problem says, given a time in 12-hour AM/PM format, converted to a military 24-hour time. And then an edge case is that 12 a.m. on a 12-hour clock is 100 hours on a 24-hour clock. And 12 p.m. on a 12-hour clock is 12 on a 24-hour clock. So I'm going to be doing this in PyCharm over here. Just let me get a return statement going there. You got to have the functions with the return. Yeah. Cool. Is that indented properly? Let's see. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to realize we need to get the hours. So it's going to be in the string from 0 to 2. And then let's just print that out for that. I code like a drone. So I need to make sure okay, that's just wrong. Right there. That's just straight up wrong. What? Line 5. What's wrong with S? Return S. Eyeball. That's weird. But anyway, as you can see, we're getting 12, which is the correct hours. Then the minutes is going to be equal to the next index. I think it's that one. From 3 to 5. Let's print it out. Cool. Yeah, 0, 5. Seconds is going to be from 6 to 8 seconds. Yeah. And then let's call the AM PM thing. It's going to be 8 to the end of the world. I'll need to print that out. Yeah. Cool, there's AM. Okay. Then we're going to need something called an if statement. And it's going to be saying if time is equal to PM and hours. And if time is equal to PM and not hours, hours equal to blah blah. So if it's 12 p.m., it's not going to be 24 p.m. So it's just going to be if time is PM and not hours equals what? Is that even correct? Indentation error. Cool. So the hours is 12 and the string. Yeah, cool. And not hours equals 12. Then hours is equal to the integer of hours plus 12. Else if time equals AM and hours equals, because if it's 12 a.m. it's 00 and hours equals 12. So then hours would just be equal to 00. And then we're gonna have full time. Is gonna be an F string. It's gonna consist of hours plus that semicolon plus another F string consisting of minutes, not min, plus another semicolon plus an F string. F strings are so cool. And we're gonna return full time. Let's see if that works. Yeah, so 12 a.m. Cool. Now let's see if HackerRank says it's good enough. Fix the indentation. Blah 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 blah. Looks good. Sheesh. So that's how you do the time conversion for HackerRank. I hope you guys found that helpful. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Let me try and figure out how to stop recording. I think it's like this. Okay, bye guys. Peace.